Yo, what up, family? Welcome back to the channel. So, Focus Marketing and Promotions, Tech and Lifestyle channel. It's gonna be a real quick video. If you've been following my channel, maybe for like the last couple of months, you've been seeing the dogs on the channel, but I'm taking it back to the essence with this one. My channel originally started. I used to do products and stuff like that, but I just wanted to do a quick review on this product real quick. I'll throw some video in at the end of this video to show you how the quality of the glasses is. These are the Ray-Ban Metas. These come in like different styles. They come in the sunglasses, they come in the clear frames, and they come in the I don't know, I don't know how to explain the automatic ones, like when you're out in the sunlight, it'll turn like to sunglasses, and when you go indoors, it'll turn right back to regular clear. And you can also get them prescriptioned also. I've been using these for like a month. These glasses is crazy. Actually, also they have Bluetooth functions. You can receive phone calls, all that good stuff. But like I said, it's gonna be a quick video, nothing too crazy. Um, I just thought that I'd do a video on these real quick because these glasses, I've been using them for like a month, and they pretty dope. Also, you can read out your emails, your text messages, all that crazy stuff. I'm doing this on my phone real quick, so that's why it's shaking. But whatever, it's a real quick video. So when you get in the box, Ray-Ban Metas, listen, call, live stream, all that good stuff. You don't get too much in the box. These are the things that come on the side of the glasses on the arms. And that's pretty much all you get. You got to use your own. It takes a Type-C charger. You got to use your own. So the glasses case, this is it. It also it doubles as a charger for the glasses also. So you see that Ray-Ban Metas, and you see that light right there. And mine need to be charged up, but it'll turn green when you plug them in. And you take the glasses out. See it turn green to let you know that you're gonna put the glasses on. And these are just the glasses right here, nothing too crazy. Just like regular sunglasses. And got the Ray-Ban on the side. The low light. Sorry about the low light, but whatever. I just wanted to shoot a video real quick of this, because this is nothing too crazy. It's just regular sunglasses. It has a little button on the top. On this side, this is where you press the button to start recording, answer phone calls, and all that good stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm gonna put some video at the end of this video. Well, I'm gonna put some footage at the end of this video to show you the quality. The quality on these things is amazing. Can't go wrong. Amazing. And it takes a Type-C charger on the bottom. As you can see, it has a little button right there you can use for pairing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are the Ray-Ban Metas. Jump on it. I think it's a dope product to have. Usually if you like got a hoodie on, or something like that, you could probably hear the music when you roaming about a little bit better. But for the most part, if you're just walking in the street minding your business, it's clarity like crazy. You can't go wrong. Battery life for me from 100 to doing videos. You could do, I think, 60-second videos, 45-second videos, and 3-minute videos. So if you're doing all of that, listening to music, your battery life, my battery life doing all of that on everything on high percent, full function, full features, I get like an hour and a half. So I don't think that's too bad. You might just have to carry the case around with you, but that gets a little bulky carrying it around. If you're not carrying like a bag, a backpack, or like something around with you, that gets a little bulky carrying that stuff around. So usually I just carry the glasses. But it is what it is. All right. Stay tuned. Tap in, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a message at the bottom or a comment at the bottom. Positive, negative, neutral, whatever it is. Let me know how you like these glasses. And if you're looking into getting them, I recommend them 100%. That's the end of this video. Like I say at the end of every video, 3 things in life you got to remember and never ever forget. Trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all.